Sabal Hi students, my name is Arva and my channel name is Arva and Physics, and here is a sample paper of class 10th. In an experiment, Pooja used equilateral triangle and projected a narrow beam of white light. So on one side of the prism, she saw many colors on the screen. When she used red, she saw red, and blue and green, then she only see that color. So the question is, the phenomena that was trying to demonstrate was, she was trying to demonstrate the dispersion phenomena, because with the prism, if you incident white light, you will get a 7 colors, right? So phenomena is dispersion. The reason why she could not see any other color, the reason is because light is monochromatic light. Look here, this is my triangle, and if you incident red light, you will get only red, because red is monochromatic. Monochromatic means single wavelength. It means if you incident only one light, then how could prism disperse it? White light consists of 7 colors. White light is 7 colors, so that's why you see all colors. But red light is only one light, so how could prism able to disperse it? So reason is red is monochromatic, sorry. And this option is absolutely wrong, that red color doesn't refract in the prism. Of course it refracts, it quietly refract, we have discussed this in my previous questions. Okay, towards normal, or it quietly bends light when rare to denser medium, so of course it refracts. Now question number 59, which of the following can be correct option when Pooja give her to friend that different light travel faster in the glass prism at different rates? Different light travels faster, different light, okay students, this is not appropriate, that different light travels faster in glass. What do you mean by different light? Okay, this option is not appropriate. Any light would disperse in the prism? No, only white light disperse, because it consists of 7. Okay, the reason why every dispersion means if a light has certain, for example yellow light has two component. Yellow has two wavelengths, lambda 1 and lambda 2. That is what is lambda? Lambda is the wavelength. Okay, 5896 and 5890, these have two wavelength in Armstrong's. Okay, so yellow has two wavelengths, so of course it will disperse in two. So if a component has a colors in it, only then it will disperse. If it is a single wavelength, then it will not disperse. So any light would disperse? No, it's wrong. Okay, if it has component, it will disperse. Enough data is not available. Okay, this option is not correct. This is more appropriate, that different wavelength travel at different speed in the glass. What do you mean by different wavelength? Of course this is more appropriate, different wavelength travel at different speed in the glass. Look how we know that this is my refractive index, and it is equals to speed of light in vacuum upon speed of light in medium. This is V, which is the speed of light in medium. Students, as you know, speed is equals to distance upon time. So distance, distance means, look, light has a wavelength, so it means it travels this much to, from low crust to trough, it has this much wavelength, so we denoted by it as lambda. So this is the distance. In terms of wave, we call this a distance. What is this? Wavelength, which is called as distance traveled by a wave in time t, 0 to t time. Okay, so it means velocity is equals to distance in terms of wave, upon time. Correct. So for red light, if you are using red lights, let's say let's not take a component of light, just we have a formula like this, and you know that 1 upon t into lambda can I write, and you know that 1 upon t is the frequency. So this formula can be replaced by like this: frequency is equals to c upon v, and C upon what is V? V is equals to F into lambda. V is equals to F into lambda. Okay, now students carefully look. Velocity is equals to F into lambda. It means higher the wavelength, higher the velocity. So higher wavelength, red has higher wavelength, lambda of red is more, so velocity of red is also more. as compared to the wavelength of violet or is less, so it means velocity of violet is also. It means different speed and different. And of course with this formula you also get one more information, that more wavelength, more is the wavelength, refractive index will be lower. This also proves my answer of one question that I already uploaded in my video, that more the wavelength, red has more wavelength, it means it has less refractive index. Less refractive index means it will deviate less towards the normal. Red has more wavelength, so refractive index will be less. Refractive index less means normal towards the normal, it will bend less. Okay, violet has less wavelength, it means more refractive index for violet, and hence it will bend more towards the normal. Okay, I have uploaded my video. I will give the link in the description box also, so that it will be easy for you. Okay, so correct option is different wavelength is at different rates. Okay, she could relate to another natural phenomena that we all, rainy day as the sun comes out. Of course, lightning, no, it is rainbow. I have done this experiment in my school and in my college also, so I have uploaded this in my YouTube channel, so do watch it. Okay, so thanks for watching this from question number 57 to 60. This is the answer. Many more I'm going to upload, so wait. Bye.